the latest news, updates, and more from the world of health and medicine. This is Medical Minutes.
In your health spotlight, the disease that has forced Celine Dion off the stage.
And now doctors say stem cells may be a key to giving her and millions of others the relief they need. News 8's Lena Pringle has the story.
50 million Americans are living with an autoimmune disorder, making it one of the leading causes of chronic illness in the country. In fact, there are more than 80 autoimmune diseases. For most, there is no cure. Management is key, but that may soon change as a procedure in clinical trials right now may be the key to keeping their disease in remission. Celine Dion, diagnosed with stiff person syndrome, an autoimmune disease that causes uncontrollable spasms.
I have no choice but to concentrate on my health at this moment.
Stiff person syndrome joins a long list of incurable, debilitating autoimmune diseases, including multiple sclerosis.
I had this numbness that was going down the inside of my legs, and I had a little bit of numbness in my hands.
Kathy Miska has been living with MS for more than 20 years. The disease has progressed and left her in a wheelchair.
It's hard. It feels like you're giving up a little bit of your independence.
As with many autoimmune diseases, they get worse over time. And over time, medications and therapies sometimes stop working. Autologous stem cell transplants may be a last resort.
So what we try and do is suppress the immune response.
First, patients receive high-dose chemotherapy to wipe out the immune system. Then, blood stem cells are taken from the patient or a donor, processed, and then put back into the patient.
There's been a number of studies showing that transplants for MS can be effective.
70% of MS patients can stay in remission for 5 years. It's also been shown up to 70% of patients with systemic scoliosis remain in remission 10 years after transplantation.
For having such a profound effect on the immune system.
And a profound effect on the lives of people living with autoimmune diseases. A stem cell transplantation is still considered an experimental treatment for autoimmune disorders. Early results have been promising, but more clinical trials need to be done.
This is the Medical Minutes Podcast. Be informed and stay connected for the latest news and information when you like, subscribe, and follow this podcast. And discover even more from the All Indiana Podcast Network. Now at allindianapodcast.com.